Stop throwing away your old, blurry photos. In 2026, AI can fix them in seconds. Look at this photo. It's low quality and blurry. We use this app. Where can I find the download link for this app? Download the app and log in to get started. Now, I'm using this free AI tool to enhance it. AI can fix them in seconds. Just wait for a few seconds.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Boom! It's crystal clear now. You can do this with any old memory. If you want to know which tool I'm using, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech hacks.